Hi, I'm Jelena, skin expert and educator. Clean the skin and check the critical regions at the face. Take cocktail, wipes and after fillings mask. Shake the cocktail well. I made a combination of ingredients with the help of Phi App based on the condition and type of my skin. Press gently so that too many cocktails do not come out. Start the treatment from the forehead horizontally and vertically. Repeat once more. Press lightly on the skin. Treat the area under the eye, as close to the eye as possible. This is a tear because I don't use an anesthetic cream, and it's not painful. I treat all regions horizontally and vertically. Where you have enlarged pores, wrinkles or acne scars, go a few more times and press a little harder. Be sure to do neck and decollete. I have half left and I will repeat the treatment in 7 days. Put on mask. Leave it on the skin for 15 minutes. Apply Phibright aftercare cocktail. I made a combination of ingredients with the help of Phi App. Apply it in the morning and in the evening on clean skin until you use it up. The skin is perfect, refreshed, rejuvenated, hydrated and nourished. If you want to learn how to do this treatment professionally, see the link below.